Apple just have a get down 2 days ago. Should we buy more or should we sell the stock? Today, I will give you my insights. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. So now let's start. This is just for education purpose. I'm not recommend you to do any trade. So now we look at the Apple stock. So basically 2 days ago, they have a gap down. So this day, they dropped by 3.5%, and the other day they have a big gap down here. Okay, so now is it time to buy Apple now? So I want you to see my indicator with this, because some of the follower basically they put on the email list, they ask for this stock, so I want to analyze together with you. So this one used to be, well, it still is one of my favorite stock, but I don't hold any stock right now for Apple stock. So now we look at this line. This is my signature indicator. So you can subscribe it by month or by year. But if by year is big discount right now. So now we back to this blue line can tell the direction, the direction of the trend. So now the blue line is going downward. This means this is in a downtrend and it's not yet going flat or going upward. Okay, so does it look good for Apple? The answer is no, and we suppose not buy any Apple stock here, okay, because it's going downward and it's very sharply, you can see here. And the other indicator is the red line here. You can see they follow really well when the stock basically drop below this red line. For short-term holder, this is one of our sell signal. Okay, for short-term holder, if you buy every time, like when they go above the blue line or even the red line, you buy, you hold. When they change the trend, you sell it, and basically you're making really good profit here. Okay, so anyway, so now do we need to buy anything? Well, according to the chart, tell us we don't need to do any buying this moment. Okay, but what if you hold this stock? Is it okay? I mean, what is the cut loss price or cut gain price? Okay, I want to show you something. Is Apple keep going down or they will have a rebound? I want to show you one thing. So let me hide. First, this is a downtrend. Okay, so even they come up, this one we will have some resistance here, and they will most likely, unless they change the direction to flat or going upward. Okay, this is number one. Number two, let me hide this. According to Apple, every time when they have a gap down, look at the red box here. Okay, we don't look at the green box this moment. We look at the red box. Red box means gap down, basically it's downtrend when they have a jump down. Okay, and what happened is every time when Apple have a red box like here, they don't come back up right away. They will follow going down. Look at this red box. They have another 4 candle to come down, and then they go up again. Okay, and this one they also have few more candles, few more days to come down, and then they go up again. This one, few more they come down, they go up again. So do we need to, even this one, they crazily, they have a big come down after this red box. But you can also see with my indicator, basically they drop below this blue line. So, and the blue line changed the direction also, so they come all the way down. Okay, so it is a very good indicator. You can subscribe it now. If you subscribe by month, you can unsubscribe anytime. If you subscribe by year, now I'm doing a big promotion, so you can click the link in the description. So now back to this. First, we have a downward blue line. Second, I want to show we just finished one gap down. So do you expect this one will come all the way up again very quickly? You will take some time, to be honest with you. So this is what the history tell us, okay? And just respect what the chart told us, okay? So this is a fact. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is, what if you hold Apple stock right now? What if you don't follow my channel? Let's say you bought it because it's so attractive price, and you thought they will come back up. So what happened? So what is the cut loss price? I want to show you this cut loss price is this candle, the lowest point. 171.96, 171.96 this candle. Why? Because with the theory lower low, lower high, when you form a downward trend, it will form like this. Okay, so you will have a lower low, which is here, lower low right now, right? So when Apple form a lower low, so this is lower high compared to this. When you form a lower low, which is here, it means this is confirmed, this is a downward trend. Okay, so you need to be careful. If they really come below this line, maybe you can cut loss. Okay, September, I have mentioned, most likely this is a sideways because with our index also, like it shows September most likely is a sideways. So for Apple, it's possible to come like this, okay? Like sideways like this. Sideways is not easy to do trade because you don't see the direction, okay? You will waste some time. If you're long-term holder, is another story. But if you're a short-term holder, you just if you're what is short-term holder meaning is you don't hold a stock for too long. So if it is sideways, it doesn't reach your profit, or it doesn't, so you will hold the stock for a while. So it is not short-term holder. Some I know some people is quite when they don't have a strategy, when they unfortunately they bought some stock and then the stock go lower and lower and lower, they usually change their position from short-term holder to long-term investor. Most of the people would do that. But I want to tell you that very important to know your cut loss price because it will save your time and also to protect yourself. This is one of the biggest lesson I have ever learned from my teacher. Okay, so also from my trading experience. Just don't get, even you cut loss 10%, but you can still use your capital for other company that is going uptrend. And I tell you, there are some companies still doing uptrend, not all the company going downtrend, okay? Even in the bear market. So that's how I make my profit, okay? So basically, this is the cut loss price. And some people say, oh, but they have support here. Yes, true. But also this candle already dropped below this the whole body already covered the whole zone. So you just need to be careful. The next support would be here, about here. Okay. So this is the Apple analysis. So do you really want to, if you don't hold any Apple stock right now, you can tell me, is there a risk bigger than the chance, or the chance more than the risk right now? And do you need to rush to buy in with this indicator? You can tell me right away, all right? So this is how easy and powerful with the indicator. Of course, some people say, oh yeah, you don't need to buy the indicator, blah, blah, blah. It's fine if you don't buy, as long as you have your own strategy. And I just want you to make some money from the market, okay? So I click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And I see you in the next video. Okay, bye.